Hello everyone, welcome back to today's live. So we are starting working with objects because as we think we have been practice list on the object field. So we are trying to make a more strong base foundations on the objects in JavaScript. So hope you guys like it and also share with the peoples. Also you can practice with us, join us in our live sessions, or also comment. We will love to see your comments and the preferences, how you think, how you think the solution could be. So we are also love to see the amazing content and the amazing solutions that you share with us. So let's start with the basic objects questions. So the first question is the beginner manipulations of basic the CRUD operations for the objects. Question 1, CRUD operation: create a user's object with the properties name Alex, role age 25, role admin. Change the age to 26, delete the role property and create a new property Canada. Okay, it's a I think it's related to oops concept. Okay, so usually I'm not a oops person. I have less thing, but let's start how this works. Let's figure it out on our live session. Object 1, create object CRUD operations, create a user's object. Okay, let's go with the basic Java. First of all, let's create an object. Okay, user object equals to new object. Like this we can create an object. Let's check the console.log user. We have been created an object. Yeah, created an object. Property with the name Alex and okay, and age roles. Okay, so let's user comma name equals to Alex. Okay, I think here also we have to put a name. Let's check it out. Console.user. Okay, if we remove the double inverted comma, does it work or give error? Okay, it's give error. So yeah, because it's assuming as a variable, but we don't have to assume as a variable. So check this. Okay, name has been created. Property, yeah, property has been created. Okay, let's create the same property user. Okay, age. Okay, age is 25 and user. Okay, let's me check role. Okay, role value is admin. Okay, we have created a object properly. Okay, it's a contain a property of a name, age, role. Okay, object has been created. Change the age to 26. Okay, change the age. So like let's try. Can we overwrite it? Is it working? Okay, yeah, it's working. So like this also we can do changes, but actually this is a oops problem, I think so. But let's see. For now we will do this. If you know about this the oops concept, how we do perform the things in the oops concept, object oriented programming, using that we can figure it out. So we'll love to see your comment how to do that. For now we are doing this. Delete the role property and add a new property country Canada. Okay, how to delete a property? Let me think. How to delete a role property? For adding a new property, we know we can add like this: COUNTRY, country equals to Canada. But how do I remove this? Okay, for now, for seeing this, we are just console.log doing this. So yeah, first of all there was a no Canada. Okay, oh, let's me remove this. So in the first you can see there is a no Canada and Canada has been added, but we have to delete the property rule. How to delete from a object? I don't know, so let's google it. How to delete a property in object. inches. So whatever we don't know, we can easily Google it and learn about, because this is a private practice session, not a teachable session. Okay, so delete. Okay, how can we delete? Using delete dot notations. Okay, in that case we have also a delete. So let's try it out. How to delete it? Let's slide delete. Use object name. Okay, I have object name, and what I have to delete? Okay, I have to delete. It will be mentioned in the. Okay, for now just know that these are bracket notations, and we can also use a dot notations. We have a two type of notations for using the objects, dot notations and the bracket notations. And this always I forgot sometime for my data. We have as a delete keyword also. So delete user, we have to delete the role, right? So let's see. Okay, so here, yeah, so what question was telling, we have to change the admin, we have to change the age to 26. We have changed the age. Okay, 26. Okay, just a second, this will become after this. Okay, cut, yeah, paste it. Now see, as per the questions, as we have solved, change the age to 26, we have changed from 25 to 26. After that, delete the role property, we have related the role property using the delete functionality. And also what add a new property Canada. Okay, we have add a new property country, which value is Canada. Okay, so like this we have been solved. If you have a better approach using the OOPS program, what we call OOPS, object oriented programming session, using programming, that you can also solve and mention us in comment section. We will be moving forward with the next questions, because this was the solutions that we have recommended for now. Later on we will be practice more on the OOPS, and we will be sharing that also. Question 2, checking properties. Write functions has a key object. Okay, has key object key. Okay, object and a key. Write a function has key that returns true if a given key exists inside the object